Hola! L'agence. Hello, Constance. Aren't you tired of taking videos of me?
You're very casual.
I am very casual. You know what? Because all of this merchandise came in, and we decided for change of scenery, I should take my blazer off. L'agence Holliday. Okay. Can you say Dolce Gabbana? Can you say Italian, beautiful Italian woman walking the piazza? This is what, and it's a beautiful stretch jersey. Listen, I know it's not everyone's taste, but it is so dolce. The detail, even the detail underneath the bust. No, this is a dolce print. Imagine big earrings, hair that is on top and tousled, and then like, you know the dolce, look. How about that? Okay, we're gonna put that there. Now, this is what? It's a tuxedo jumpsuit. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Sometimes you want to be dressed, but you don't want to be overdressed because it's not right for that event. This is what you want. You want a tuxedo jumpsuit. Tuxedo jumpsuit! We got a oh, she doesn't want a tuxedo jumpsuit. You know what? She doesn't want a tuxedo. You're not being filmed, don't worry. Do not worry. Okay. More L'agence. This is a bodysuit I remember. This is a sexy bodysuit. Do you remember Claude Montana from the 80s? Do you remember no?
This is gorgeous.
This is beautiful. It's not as low because when you wear it, it's this with a high-waisted pair of pants or leather pair of pants. Magnificent. Magnificent. Okay. Can you say YSL? Can you say Saint Laurent? I think this walk down Saint Laurent. I think. Well, I'm sorry, L'agence. I'm sorry. I know they're all original designs. Okay, maybe not. I mean, they are original. However, the inspiration is Saint Laurent. Tuxedos, satin detail. This over this, and that's it. You're done. Dressed by Galerie Couture. And finally, denim. Ooh. More denim. Hold on. You know what's coming? What came in? Okay. This was unequivocally our best. No, this wasn't. But this is great. These are the pants of the season. This wide leg palazzo jean, high-waisted, very 90s. It's the Sandy high-rise wide leg. Is it for everyone? Huh? Is it amazing? Yeah. What is this? What is this? Is the Ruth. We're all wondering, L'agence, why did you call a pair of jeans Ruth? Anyways, hi Ruth. If your name is Ruth, call me. These are straight with a touch of boot. Incredible. Sold out twice. And this is the third time we're getting it. Okay, we got some more of this. These are refills. This is the coated with the detail. Stunning on. Sandy. Okay. Oh, we got some Maudie. We got the Seda Maudie. Who's Ruth and Maudie? Like, they should be married. Maudie, come here. It's Meanwhile, L'agence is sold throughout the world, and we're making fun of it. Stop, Constance. You're a bad influence. Okay, seriously, this was sold out. Like literally sold out. It is insane. Marty looks insane. And finally, there is Sandy, Marty, Seda. Is it Seda? Marty. Okay, Seda, straight high rise crop slim. Telephone, I gotta go. Bye.